Hello, this is meteorologist Todd Shea at the National Weather Service on La Crosse with a quick severe weather briefing for the upcoming weather the next couple of days. We're looking at a couple of different hazards, although the threat of heavy rain and related flooding is our number one concern. That it looks to set up primarily across parts of Minnesota into Wisconsin. But later in the day, Thursday into Friday, there is a potential for some other severe thunderstorms with hazards like hail, damaging wind, and tornadoes. The confidence for that excessive rainfall areas is highest across southern Minnesota into parts of north central Wisconsin, but it can't be completely ruled out in other areas. It's just the risk is not quite as high at this time. Regarding flash flood watch, most of the National Weather Service offices around the region are issuing watches for this region that will be in effect for Thursday afternoon into Friday morning. The expected rain looks something like this, with again the highest axis across the southern third of Minnesota into parts of western and central Wisconsin, with lower amounts to the far north and to the south and east. One word of caution, again, the exact location of this heavy rainfall axis may not fall exactly like this, but the confidence again is high that it will fall somewhere in the Midwest area. This could have an impact on many of the river basins around the area. The Mississippi River will be on the rise, but other river basins like Zumbro Whitewater in Minnesota, along with places like the Cedar River in Minnesota and Iowa, and the Trempealeau and Black Rivers in Wisconsin could be at risk of some higher water over the next few days. The other thunderstorm hazards are related to a slight risk that the Storm Prediction Center has across parts of Iowa and into northern Illinois and far southern Wisconsin. This risk area is for Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. We are on the lookout for some stronger storms to develop in the southern part of this storm system that could bring this region some large hail, damaging wind, and even a tornado threat. So again, the possible impact, mainly along and north of Interstate 90. Excessive rainfall is expected from repeat heavy thunderstorm rains. Flash flooding could develop, along with some mudslides in the steeper terrain, and that could lead to some road closures. Additional thunderstorm risks later in the weekend could bring more rain and potential additional problems with flooding. Again, we urge you to keep a close tab on the weather the next couple of days. If you do witness flash flooding or in a flood-prone area, be especially cautious as heavy rains materialize during the day.